Discord. That's all you have to say. Discord in a period. I'm a full-time trader. Analyzing. I'm gonna pretty much erase everything and just start fresh.
Hard work beats time.
Yo, it's official. I'm full-time. And I'm full-time tired because what the freak, bro? Yup. Man, it's 7:39 and I had a very unorthodox type of rest, to say the least. So I was over here, right? Why is it still in the charger? Let me take this out. I started off over there after spending like hours charting, back testing, looking at the charts. I sat over there to read. I didn't read a single page. I knocked out, I slept, and I woke up coming back to the charts. I sat here and fell asleep again with this little thing on. So I mean, y'all see I'm tired, but this is what I wished for. This is what I wanted, and I have it, and just an opportunity. I'm gonna take this outside real quick. We out here. Beautiful scenery, early in the morning, and it's different, man. It's different. Typically for work, I would get up at 5. It's around 7:30 now, and yeah, I'm just expecting a lot out of myself and out of this experience, out of this opportunity of being full-time. We're gonna do a lot of things. Like I mentioned in my last video, this is just the beginning. This is the beginning of something great, something that I'm gonna do some big things, man. I'm gonna change the trajectory of my family eventually. I'm gonna reinvigorate myself. I'm gonna do bigger and better things, and most importantly, I hate when people say, we gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, and I'm thinking about doing that. So do it. So I extend that back to myself. I gotta do it. And you guys are just my accountability partners. You all are tagging along on this journey of the do it, of the getting it done, all of that. Mindset shift, the work being done, and then the fruits of the labor, which will come later, because we're focusing on the inputs and we're postponing, or not postponing, but we're forgetting about the outputs. And that outputs are simply what I'm desiring and what I'm expecting to be the fruits of the labor. But yeah, because I'm full-time, I've been wanting to do this, and I think this is the perfect opportunity to do so. I'm a full-time trader. Yeah, they didn't really do anything. It's a good setting to start the day, honestly. Good feeling. I'm feeling good. I'm gonna step back on these charts and get it done. I did see some opportunities, so potential opportunities. So let's see what's that looking like. Yo, just got back. Excuse all that, please, but I need to start hopping back on the cardio. I need to hop back on the cardio. This is getting ridiculous. Okay, but we're in front of the chart. So I know I got some water somewhere. I forgot I had this tea. I was about to drink this tea too last night. Didn't get a single sip. Crazy, it was hot. But yeah, show you all these opportunities that I'm looking at. So as of right now, or at least yesterday, I was back testing on both of these platforms. So allow me to catch my breath. I shouldn't have sprinted up the hill like that, but damn. First pair I'll show y'all is EJ. I didn't touch a single thing today, but this is pretty much what I was looking at. Went to the lower time frames. I thought that we could potentially get something to the upside based off this higher low, which it did. It initially went to the upside, but then dropped all the way down here. So this is a lost cause, honestly, in terms of a pair. Gold, which matches up with this here. Was expecting that pullback. Yesterday was straight bullish, but now we're getting that pullback. So I'm looking forward to getting in on those opportunities whenever it does pull back to a certain extent. Let me pull out my fibs. This is the perfect time for this. Point A. I can't even see my own mouse. Point B. Point B is at the top. And then we're just waiting on a potential point C. It could be the 0.382. Could be the 50%. Could be the 0.618%. We'll just have to see. UJ also pretty ugly. I say that because like the daily, I kept having to swap between daily and 4-hour, daily out and 4-hour, just to get a solid bias of what I'm looking at and what we could expect. We're at this area of support overall, and I'm not even looking to trade this like at all. It's not beautiful. And not only that, it's just not really giving me a sense of direction. I mean, we're getting this higher low right here, so that's cool. So this could be an early start, early sign for something to erupt, but I'm not pushing anything. Trust me, I'm not pushing nothing. So that's that. And then lastly is GU, which I also analyzed yesterday. At the time, it was all the way up here, pretty much in this ranging area, and now you can see it broke out of it. So this is another opportunity for me to use my fib. Point A, point B at the top, and then waiting for a pause at the point C, which where could it stop? We're just gonna have to wait. It could stop at this backside of this previous trend line that I used. Right now it's pretty much at the moving average, so between those areas it could come all the way down to the 0.618. Oh my bad, 0.618, which is like one of my prime zones, which I see price traditionally hits between that and 0.5. But like I said, I'm not pushing anything. So yeah, have both charts up, analyzing. This kind of reminds me of last year. Last year for a month in May, I did have the opportunity to be at home before an internship, and I was trading. I was making some money too. I kind of put some videos here. I made some videos already on that last year, but just kind of reminds me of it, low key. All right, man. So I had just completed the market breakdown video. I just posted that a few minutes ago. I'm sure you guys will have access to it. No, you do have access to it before this video. But yeah, I'm about to get dressed. No cap. But y'all gotta stay moisturized out here in this heat. It's too hot to be dry. Just willingly be dry outside is crazy. Yo, what's good on the move right now, but we could potentially be getting that move on GU. Real quick, I'm gonna look at gold. I do see some exhaustion on the bottom of that. Hold on, I'm gonna start dropping with my leg real quick. That's cool with y'all, if y'all don't mind. But yeah, let me go down to the 1 hour time frame. And basically, yeah, like I said, we have that exhaustion. I was looking at a temporary bearish move until we got that halt on that pullback. But nah, that was dead. Right now we're getting that exhaustion, like I mentioned, so I mean that's cool. Looking forward to that bearish move. We're already seeing these signs on GU, like I mentioned, so that's cool. I will update y'all later on in the day. I like this volume that we're receiving right now. So I mean, if we can get into a trade today, that would be cool. If we get into a trade tomorrow, that would be cool too. I'm on the move, heading to Charles Schwab to resolve some issues. So Yeah, they better have my bread, because if they don't, they gonna see. They gonna see. They gonna see. I got the creatine juice. It tastes like Kool-Aid, to say the least. The one I had before had no taste at all. It tasted like straight sand and water, and it would not dissolve at all. So this one is a lot better. It's more of a powdered form, and it dissolves pretty quickly, and it tastes better. It actually has a taste. So this is cool. I'll update y'all on like this journey of taking the creatine. I've heard many studies, positive and negatives, but I don't know. We'll just have to see. A lot of it is anecdotal, meaning that people have their own personal stories. So I'm going to provide my own personal story. Let's just see. This creatine is what they say. We have this current chat, man. Everybody just texting. Talking about funnits, talking about futures, talking about Forex, talking about all types of markets, and talking about funnits, just uplifting each other. I think that's a powerful thing. Just being united. Excuse me, as traders, because not that many people trade. I mean, obviously. So if we can find other traders and like-minded individuals that we can just, come to collab and connect to uplift each other and bring each other to new heights, I think that's worth it. Personally, I don't really say too much because I'm more of an individual guy, but like I said, there's nothing wrong at all with collabing, with communicating, with being united with other traders. Simply as that. I say that to also bring the fact that I've been talking about potential Discord. I'll say this: if y'all want the Discord, I need 5 individual comments, right? 5 comments, and you can comment Discord or something like that. Comment Discord, yeah. Comment Discord. That's all you have to say. Discord in a period, or just Discord. It don't matter. But comment Discord. If I have 5 of those in one video, I might have to drop it because that demand is crazy. But yeah, you know what to do. Well, here it is. Best believe I'm already strapped up. Yo,
2 guys in a room. We might kiss. Chat, how you like my hair, bro? Y'all like it?
Collapsed.
Shake on that, shake on that. Shake on that, shake on that, shake on that. How you cracking? How you crack your GoPro?
Chill.
They want me to work at night shift, 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. Who? Not doing that. So I gotta call them today and tell them that I can't do that one. Then I got Bojangles. I applied to Bojangles. There's one right next to my house. I applied to that one. They said I need an interview somewhere like 30 minutes away from my house. I do it. They say they thinking I'm doing an interview for that location. I'm just like, no, I'm just doing an interview. They're just like, we gonna send you right back to do the interview. So I just drove 30 minutes for no reason. Then I have Baskin Robbins. Where we about to go right now? Low-key, I'm gonna take y'all away with me, bro. Y'all wanna come with me? Do my little interview?
You gotta get 3 jobs today.
You get minimum wage.
Nah, you getting less.
No, you probably want to.
$7 an hour?
No, I'm not. If they said that, I'm saying no.
gotta get a job.
No.
You need a job, bro.
I'm worth more.
$7 an hour, bro.
No. Taco Bell said $12.
They said 12?
Yeah.
Man. That's alright. That's alright. No, they might pay you the same. Around
8?
Same as me.
11?
Hell.
Who? But I'm thinking about just working 8 hours a day. 8 hours is not bad.
That's good. That's good. Some people work 5.
That's it?
Yeah. But 8 that's like traditional.
Yeah, I'm like, 8 is like, 8 isn't long for me.
Nah, 8 is not bad. I mean, you on your feet for a while, but it's not. You ain't no sitting down unless you take a break. But otherwise,
I'm gonna sit down whenever. And there's no customers.
There's no chairs. You can't sit down. There's no chair to sit down. At least when I worked there was no chairs. But you gonna be good.
It's just what's gonna have to be done.
Nah, that house is crazy. Who the heck's staying there? Just all over the seat. Dead seat.
You're lying.
Dead
I know
seat.
you're lying.
Good.
Tell me what you said. Tell me.
Doing dookie all over the toilet. This man gonna clean it up. I swear.
Dunkin' Donuts is pretty.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I was wondering, are you guys hiring?
If we're not hiring, it will be posted on the Dunkin' Donuts website.
Okay, yes, sir. Okay.
This is Kylie.
I was just wondering, if y'all are hiring.
Yes, ma'am. So there's a QR code at the front of our building. If you scan that.
Yeah, it was later on in the day, and I'm currently looking at the charts. I've been expecting a move from gold. Gold and GU, those two pairs I've been looking at heavily. Still haven't received that move or received the signs for me to use it as an opportunity to get in. But we're almost there. We're like almost at that point. I mean, I'm liking the exhaustion at the bottom of this on the higher time frames, the 4 hour, and then we're slowly getting that bullish candle. I've gone to the smaller time frames. Let's see. You know what? Let me go on here. So smaller time frames, and when I say smaller time frames, I mean like the 30-minute hourly. I'm just going in between those two time frames. What I'm really looking for, and this would pretty much be all I need for me to get in, is some type of pullback that I can see more on the 30 minutes. Something more, I don't want to say outstanding, but a little more demanding. Like, I see that we do have the exhaustion. Those are the signs that I am looking at, but still we do have these highs that we can't just ignore. Let me see, can y'all see my cursor? These highs up here, we cannot ignore that. So I need some sort of break that would give me a confirmation. But I do like to see these wicks on the bottom. I would like to see, this is what I was kind of leaning towards, just like a 30-minute higher low that I can really see. Like, these are just very small. You can more so see them on the 15-minute time frame, but like a 30-minute higher low, something like that, I would get in even before that break of the high. I would get in to that. But as of right now, we haven't really gotten that. We're just getting these slight signs that are currently building up for this bullish bias, but nothing right now. Let's go to GU, also building that bullish push to the upside. But then we're definitely going to get this week. I'm definitely saying that now. We're going to get this week. This is a little more choppy. I don't really like the look of this as of right now. I drew this lower time frame trend line. It was kind of irrelevant. I just wanted to kind of put it there. But right now, nothing crazy. Nothing that... Yeah, I'm looking at it myself as I'm speaking. Nah, I would need like a break of a significant high like this. And let me use something else so y'all can really see. Like this high right here. Let me change the color. Let's do a red. Like, if we can get a break above that, then I'll be a little more confident. But we've seen like little slight things, like it's coming up. It seems like it broke this, and it's just kind of fluctuating. I don't like it. I don't like it in terms of an entry, but I do like it that it's slowly building towards what I'm looking for eventually. But today has been just a regular day. Like, I've been helping my little brother with his bed. Say what's up, Oreo. Say what's up. Yeah, he said what's up. My bad. Go ahead and take your nap, bro. But yeah, been helping bro with his bed, y'all. This man got no bed for me, just a bed. This man's room is like, it's so dirty, it's crazy. It's just so dirty.
It's not even dirty. Stop playing with me, bruh. Can I play with my 2K?
Golly. No, it looked better. But y'all should have seen it before.
Oh, I have a picture here.
This man had rats and ants and roaches.
Here, man, look.
You got a picture of it?
A little bit, yeah. That was. It's a calculator.
Calculator. I'm like, yo.
Hell that.
Put trash in his shoe.
Okay, no.
Dirty. But no, it look better. Hold up. I'll come back. Today is an okay first day. I do still need to check off some things. I have some courses I need to look at, and I do need to work out today. I haven't really written anything down on my habit tracker. Let me get the lights going. Haven't written anything down for this week. This is from, I think, last week. And yeah, I'm gonna pretty much erase everything and just start fresh. Yeah, I'm gonna do that today. I'm definitely gonna do that today. Hey, don't look at my room. But yeah, productive day so far. But the day's not even over. So stay tuned.
Hard work beats talent. Hard work beats talent. Alright, so we better call this a wrap. Low-key,
say something inspirational. Come right here. I need the good lighting. Yeah, that red lighting.
The people that you see in life that are successful. Just give up on your dreams. I'm not gonna lie to you. People always say the light, just like that, the tree is always gonna dim it. Sometimes you just gotta cut the branches.
I see where you going there. Okay. I see it. I see the vision. Okay.
Let me come back. Sometimes what I mean by cutting the branches off, embrace your flaws. Cut your D off, just like the branch. Embrace the flaws. Be a trans. You have a purpose, just like a trash can. You always have a purpose. People go to the trash can to dump trash.
You got a purpose. I like that.
You have a purpose.
We're gonna end it with that. You have a purpose. For sure. Whether that's dumping trash, whether that's washing dishes.
You play a part.
You play a part. Man.
You play a part.
I'm talking to you right there. You see him? You see that dude right there?
You
see that dude?
Right?
Yeah, we talking. Yeah, we talking. We talking to you. It is 12, almost 1 in the morning, and what the heck? Cause time is flying like crazy. I swear it was just like 8 p.m. and it's 1. But I was doing a lot of things. We went to the office, did some other things, but just wanted to say good evening. I just briefly want to show you guys the charts as of right now. To just say it short, I didn't get into any trades today. Today was not a trading day. I would have liked to gotten in the trade based on my expectations, and you know, who doesn't want to get in the trade? I love to risk money to make a potential surplus of money. So it is what it is, though. It is what it is. Some days you won't have those trades. So I mean, like I said, it is what it is. I'm just going to go over the charts, look at different markets, not different markets, but different pairs, just to see if maybe I missed anything, maybe something I can tighten up on. This is why I love this, bro. I love the idea of just kind of being full time, because I have the opportunity to really sit down for hours on end to perfect, and refine my way of trading in order to reach a level of damn near perfection. That's what I always say. I love to say that. Revise until damn near perfection. Now, perfection isn't like a feasible something to look towards, but I mean, you can get damn near perfection. That's what I say. So without all the yapping, let me go on my trade locker charts, because it's more updated. But yeah, real quick. I'm not gonna take too much of y'all time. Just real quick. So EJ, let's see this. So I was just really going to look and see how it reacted to this area of resistance. Right now, it is showing more of a lot of bullish volume, bullish behavior going on. So this could potentially be broken, and we could potentially be heading further to the upside. So I wasn't expecting that. I thought we were going to get something more of a bearish type of sequence here, but I mean, obviously not. It's carrying those bullish type of formations here. So that's that. Gold, not expecting this, but right now it's bearish, which I thought it would go to the upside, which it briefly did. We did have this exhaustion, came up here, broke finally above these highs, but it's coming down. And that's not to say it's bearish now, but still though, I didn't expect this. But this could be just kind of a pullback for that eventual bullish move. I'm still bullish overall on this. I believe that we will make some bullish move within the week. I could definitely see that happening all the way up here. So it's really just a matter of time. UJ also pretty bullish as of right now. Didn't expect it to continue bullish as of now, but I mean, that's what it's doing. And what I was talking about going back in time and see if I could taking any trades, see if I missed anything, stuff like that. I can say that. I could definitely say that here, based on this higher low that I did see. Where was it? This is 4 in the morning yesterday, so I was asleep. So I missed out on that. That was an opportunity. That's all I gotta say for that. GU. See GU. Also, I expected it to be bullish, but right now it's more bearish than anything, and it's starting to get very sloppy. It's very sideways, and I hate markets like that. So I'm gonna start drawing a box over this entire thing, especially like down here. Let me get that. Something like that. We'll worry about this later. But yeah, this pretty much this range right here, the sideways movement, I'm not liking it. And whenever I see something like this, I draw a box around it and just pretty much wait for a breakout of this. And typically when I get a breakout, we start to move towards a specific direction. Yeah, I got that from Swaggy C, and I've been doing that for a little minute now. It's worked well for me, so yeah, that's about it. I plan on staying up. I don't know how long, but I plan on staying up. There are other things I still need to do I need to read. Sit down and read. I'm gonna edit this video. Yeah, after I'm gonna edit this video, which will probably take me maybe an hour, maybe two, something like that. Keep tonight productive. I mean, it's a nice setting. You see the radiant light in the background. Yeah, I got the candle right here. I mean, we're doing our thing. I got the sweater on. I mean, it's a night of production or productivity to the fullest extent. Editing videos, I would definitely be more on the charts, looking, revising, back testing. And things of that nature. I'm not yapping no more. I'm tired, but I'm not going to bed. I'll catch you on the next video. Yeah. So peace.